How do? Right, today I am on with fitting the split charge relay, the VSR, and in the process I need to make a fuse block, and I'm going to use the block. Right, this is what you need. I've got 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, what we do is, so what we've got is the block. I've already started. That's the earth wire that is going to go to the battery. And then what you basically do is have a load of these, all cut about 7 centimeters for this size block, and that then goes over into that with that go in there, and that will go in there, and it loops like that. So all them then become earthed, and these are your earth points here for your appliances or whatever you want to call them. Right, I'll show you what it's like after. Yeah, all done. Ollie made it, didn't you? You made that, didn't you? Yeah. Like you can see there, earth goes in, so that's earth, it takes it to that earth. So all them now are earthed. So say you've got anything that needs earthing, you just connect it here, rather than going to your battery. It's all there. So I have enough for 9 appliances. Cool.